Hi everyone, I'm Shaukat from Kerala. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you have a happy day today. Today I'm going to talk about my hometown. I was born and grew up in a village area. Village name is Karuvambadi. And in my childhood time, in my village, one side there is a hill area and another side paddy field. And we had so many ponds also in our village area. So three, four small ponds and a big pond. And the four small ponds vanished, but the big pond Panchayat Authority developed now. So in the present condition, several other area people also come to our village and they learn swimming also from the big pond. And it's very useful because people they morning time also people take a bath from the pond and they wash their clothes also from the pond. Evening time also after they when they come to our native place from their job, they go to the pond and they take bath from that pond. It's very useful. And another matter, in our village area people, in my childhood time, my village area people, some people they were farmers. They were doing different types of cultivation, and some people they were working in Gulf countries, and some people they were running bag manufacturing company. Some people were working in bag company. And in my childhood time, we didn't have more facilities in our area, because if we wanted to purchase clothes, any other things, we had to go Patambi or Valanjeri. From my village to Patambi is 10 kilometers far. From my native place to Valanjeri is 15 kilometers far. But in present condition, Karuvambadi developed more. Now, if we want to purchase clothes or jewelry, everything available in Karuvambadi. Comparing from my childhood to now, Karuvambadi developed more. And in my childhood time, I got education from 1st class to 4th class education. I got from my LP school. From my home to my LP school is 1 kilometer far. And after I joined in UP school, middle school, from middle school I got education 5th class to 7th class. After I joined high school, from high school I got education 8th class to 10th class. From my native place to my UP school is 5 kilometers far. From my native place to high school is also 5 kilometers far. So we got education from three school. Now also the same condition. And LP school, UP school, and high school, separate schools. And about my people behavior, in my village area people, they are very friendly people. They help each other, support each other all the time. They help each other, support each other. In the past time, if we had any marriage program, other function, that time everything people conducted in their house, this kind of program, because we didn't have at that time any auditorium, this kind of matter. But now everywhere we can see people build auditoriums. That's why nowadays this kind of program, marriage program, other function people conduct in auditorium. But in my opinion, I like very much if we conduct this kind of program at our home. That time we get more enjoyment. But if we conduct the marriage program, this kind of program, in auditorium, we don't get more enjoyment. It's my opinion. You have your own opinion. And village area people, they have different their own culture, their own behaviors. And town area people, they have their own culture, their own behaviors. In village area there are some criticism, backbiting, mocking, this kind of bad quality also people have. But people very open minded people, they help each other, support each other. This kind of quality we can see in village area. And town area people, they concentrate in their life only. They don't try to interfere other people life. That's why in the town area we cannot see more fight each other people, because people they concentrate their life. They don't interfere other people, and people they maybe they don't help each other, support each other also. In village area people they have some bad quality, mocking, backbiting, and criticism. This kind of problem village area people have, but people help each other, support each other. This quality we can see in village area people. And yeah, I learned swimming in my childhood time, because I told you in my childhood time also we had so many ponds in our surrounding area, and I liked very much my village. Now also I like very much village area life, because I enjoyed both lives, because I was working in Kochi, Kottayam, this kind of cities. That time I enjoyed city life, and I was born and grew up in a village area. That's why I enjoyed village life. So if I compare with village life with the city life, I can easily tell you I like very much village life, because when we live in village area we get the yeah, the normal hair we get, and normal good water we get from village area, because most of the village area people have open well. From open well we get very tasty water. But if we drink water from town area water, we can understand the different taste. We don't get a natural taste from town area water. So I like very much village area life, because we get a peaceful life. We cannot get more outside noise from village area, and people know each other. All the people know each other. This kind of quality we can see in village area. But problem in from village area, people don't get more job opportunity, and a hospital facility. In my childhood time we didn't have more hospital facility in our area. If we face any illness, if we faced any illness in my childhood time, we had to go Patambi, Valanjeri, or Perindalmanna, Thrissur, this kind of. Now also same, because now also we don't have more this kind of facility in our village. If we face any illness, at that time we have to go Patambi, Valanjeri, Perindalmanna, and Thrissur, this kind of area we have to move. Only then we get good treatment. And school also, I told you the same condition now also, because LP school separate, UP school separate, and high school also separate in my village area. And some area people they get education since 1st class to +2 education they get from same school. We can understand that. So I explained little about my village area and my hometown. You can also explain this manner about your village. That time you also get this kind of sentences, and you can take it a topic to discuss other people with. When you interact with other people, that time you can discuss about your hometown. You can try to describe about your hometown. That time other people, your partner, get some ideas about your hometown. Your partner also ready to explain about his hometown. That time you get a topic to discuss, and you get some ideas each other. And this kind of manner you can discuss different topics when you practice English. It's very good ideas. And thank you so much. I will meet you in my next video. Bye.